Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here, the Anvil Electric Concrete Vibrator with 1300 watt and 2 meter vibrating needle. This is a vibrating needle for concrete with 4800 rounds per minute. The diameter of the vibrating bottle of the concrete vibration is 35 millimeter. This is a device for mechanical device to generate vibrations. The vibrations is often generated by an electric motor with an unbalanced mass on its drive shaft. When here we are going to use this, if you have a fresh concrete vibration or the concrete is fresh made and it is placed on the on as a wall, for example, or a bottom or something else, and it is jobs there, and then there are bubbles inside it, of course. In this case, the concrete vapor is considered freshly poured concrete, so that the trapped air and the excess water are released, and the concrete settles firmly in place in the formwork. Improper constellation of the concrete can be caused product defects, compromises the concrete trench, and produce the surface blemishes such as buck holes and honeycombing. An international concrete vibrator is a steel cylinder about the size of the handle of a baseball bat with a hose or electric cord attached to the end. The vibrator head is immersed in the wet concrete, and then you're starting to vibrate the concrete, and because of that, the air will evacuate out of the concrete, and it will be stronger after this. After turning on the switch, the concrete vibrator would not vibrate as soon as possible. This phenomenon is quite normal. We should click the metal or push the metal head of the vibrator on the floor to make it vibrate. Besides, it should be reminded that the vibrator will hang during the operation, and the same applies to all these type of vibrators. We just kick on it and it will work again. This concrete vibrator comes with 1300 watt power. The total length of the pipe and the metal rod is 2 meters. The speed of the agitator shaft is 4800 rounds per minute. And the rod head is 35 millimeter and the core of the rod is 10 millimeter. We do not fill the product with water or oil. We connect the vibrating rod and motor clockwise. The thick cast aluminium housing, special aluminium gears, copper sheeted shaft motor, heat dissipation window on both sides, electric lock design, and comfortable ergonomic handle makes it so a good device. We easily handle various concrete works, floor construction, floor just construction, cement rack construction, cement pillars, concrete blocks, etc. We vibrate the gray pillar and reinforce the concrete to remove bubbles and pits out of it. You see, it's easy to operate with that. We are going to have a good structure after using such a vibration device in our concrete. We have here a good dimension of that device for small and medium areas of construction sites, and we can make a good job with that device here. This is the Anvil Electric Concrete Vibrator with 1300 watt power. This makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!